Welcome back. We are looking at trade day Thursday, 4/16. And at the open, we are already messing with the 50, but we're staying above it. And how did we close yesterday to get some hints for today? Let's see. Yesterday was a short move, and it looks like it did come all the way to completion before coming up and going back into the 50. I'm thinking this is going to be a continuation short. But it is also setting up for Friday. We can usually expect traps to happen on Friday, so let's be careful and only trade what we see. So I have my first pop out low here. I'm looking at TDI here, pop out. All right, let's go ahead and drag out our 50 channel. Okay, so I'm thinking that this is the trap to the move and that we are looking for longs. So you see how in TDI, there's a pop out followed by this area where price kept getting lower, but TDI is staying flat or even going up a little bit. That tells me that price is actually closing higher already. So it's already starting to pull up, confirming longs for me. So at this point, I'm just waiting for a W to enter and I'm waiting for my trade window to start. I think I technically could have entered somewhere in here, but wait for the trade window, okay? I do not trade inside it or outside of this prime trading window, which is opening right now. And we are opening above the channel. I do have another little channel right here where price did interact with the 50, which I'm always interested in. I'm going to tighten this one up. I'm going to mark my low here, the session low, which is right there. And I see where price is going to come back down. And if this low holds, which it did right there, so there is my green-red cross, okay, after the push down. So that is my entry right there. Excellent. Excellent. This is one where patience would have paid off, okay? If you tried to enter in here, your trade might have been safe. Let's see. Yeah, it's only 9 pips. So if you were early and entered in here, you would have only gone into your drawdown about 9 pips, but you wouldn't have been stopped out. But the best entry was to wait for it to come all the way back down, either to that blue band or even below it as it happened here. So let's put the trade in. Profit level is at 30 pips. Stop level is at 15 pips. There we go. And let's see how this one would have played out. Now, granted, I place these and then I go to bed. I do not stay up and watch them. But what would have happened? And it is off. Confirmed 50 is going up, just showing us that this trade is moving and you are in profit. Excellent job. All right, this was a pretty easy. I don't know. Was this one easy? Let's just make this one channel to clarify our picture here, just like that. All right, there it is. This is your most perfect entry for Thursday, 4/16. Take a screenshot and save it to your trade log. Happy trading.